We get a screen guard with the phone itself. Now let's see the other battery contents. We get a USB to PC cable, a wall charger with notification, a nice but simple earphones with end call and to receive the call button, 3.5 mm headphone jack. Now these are all the contents that we get within the package. Now let's keep all the thing aside and let's see the phone. This is the phone. There is a factory film. Let's remove this film. Wow, that's cool look. Micromax logo on the back side. 8MP autofocus camera which can shoot 1080p videos with single LED flash. Front 2 megapixel camera with sensors and earpiece. Here we can see the LED notification light is here. Microphone on the downside. The volume rocker. This is the power unlock and lock key. Now let's remove the back panel. It's quite hard to remove this, but let's put on the battery. As you can see, it's supposed normal SIM. SIM 1 is 3G, SIM 2 is SIM 1 is 3G, SIM 2 is 2G. Here the SD card slot. That's all. Now here's the method to close the panel. First from the down, then from the top. Let's switch on the phone. It comes pre-installed with KitKat. So now no need to upgrade your phone to KitKat. I'm back with